Day 2 of testimonies getting underway in the retrial of Karen Read as a key witness is speaking exclusively to ABC News. Carrie Roberts was with Read when they found Read's boyfriend John O'Keefe's body.
It was so snowy, you couldn't see. And as we were driving, Karen would lean in between us and she was frantic. I mean, she knew John was missing, so she was frantic about it, as I would be. And then we turned to pull down Fairview and she saw him on the lawn, and I didn't.
Let's bring in ABC legal contributor, trial attorney Brian Buckmire for more. Brian, Carrie Roberts is expected to return to the stand today. So what are you watching for, and what stuck out to you from what she told Matt Gutman?
Yeah, the next thing for Carrie Roberts would be cross-examination, but I believe they're still going to finish some of the direct. What stood out to me when it came to Matt Gutman is I think what's going to be focus of the cross-examination for the defense is Karen Read was able to see John O'Keefe's body in the snow, but she was not. And I think the prosecution is making the argument that the reason why Karen Read knew where the body was is because she's the one who, in fact, hit John O'Keefe. But the defense is going to try to make it seem like, well, it's snowy. Your focus is probably on driving the vehicle or on something else. And Karen Read is scanning the snowbanks to find her boyfriend, and she found him and you didn't. It's nothing nefarious. So I'm trying to see how that argument plays out on direct and cross-examination.
And Brian, correct me if I'm wrong here, but part of her story that sticks out is her saying that Karen Read called her and said that John was dead before they had even gone out looking for him. She said he's dead, he got hit by a plow, and then they went out searching for him to try to find him. How much do you expect both sides to focus on that?
So I think the prosecution will probably focus on it to some degree. And what I mean by that is they'll get it out there and they'll kind of move on. I don't think it's going to be an issue they keep rehashing because it's such a powerful moment. One time or even twice may be enough. But for the defense, they're going to try to really slice this statement down to its thinnest pieces, trying to suggest that either one, Karen Read is just in such shock that she's grasping at straws, trying to think, could it be this? Could it be that? That there were other suggestions that Karen might have given. But ultimately, the jury's going to have to decide. Is this a woman who knew what happened and is now asking a friend to go find this boyfriend? Or is this someone who's grasping at straws, trying to figure out where her boyfriend could be?
All right, Brian Buckmire, legal analyst, thank you.